Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thương. I'm living in Michigan, USA. In today's video, my husband Cruz will bring me to a library near our house. We will borrow some books for me to read and to improve my English skill. This library is very small. Cruz said there aren't many books, but I think it had enough books for me to read. At first, I thought I should choose children's books because they are easy to read and understand. But Cruz told me to choose books for teenagers, so my English will improve. In the end, I chose comics for teenagers because they have easy to understand pictures and the English is not too difficult. I said everything has to be done slowly, step by step. If at first I read a book with many words and it's difficult to understand, I will fall asleep. If you have any tips to improve English, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. I borrowed 4 comic books and 1 novel for 3 weeks. Hope I can read them all. Now come home with me and prepare dinner. Let's go! It's snowing a lot and cold this evening. I hope this day ends soon. Cruz and I both meet Da Nang, Vietnam. Meet the fun cycling days there. Hopefully, after a few months of not cycling, we can still maintain our fitness like before. Lately, I feel very lazy. Don't want to do much activity, like an animal just want to be hibernate. Starting next week, the temperature will increase around 50 degrees F, over 10 degrees C. We have decided to cycle again and there will be many cycling videos on the Two Wheel Cruise channel. Everyone, please wait. We will come back soon. Back to dinner. Today I will roast vegetables. This is a new dish I learned after moving here. I love it, and we eat it about twice a week. With this way of cooking, I can eat many different types of vegetables. The nutrition of the vegetable will be more than boiling or stir-frying them. Do people eat it often? Let me tell you this. It's been warmer these past few days, so we've been cleaning up our backyard. I remember Cruz did a video of our new house in his channel. Our new house is on a small hill with a beautiful view of the lake. That's why our backyard is on a steep slope. I want to plant vegetables and flowers, so we've been cleaning up the grass and wood for the past few days. I will make them into terrace fields to grow vegetables. I have already recorded a video. I will introduce it to everyone next time. Tonight's dinner is grilled vegetables and fried pork. It took me about an hour to prepare and cooking them. If you like it, I will make more food videos next time. Thank you for always following and supporting us. I will update our situation regularly. Have a nice day to you and your family. See you in the next video. Bye!